Assalamu alaikum dear modernites. Today we will discuss the topic Charles law. It's on page number 129 and it is chapter number 5, which is physical states of matter. So Charles law gives relation between volume of a gas at constant pressure. And what is the statement of Charles law? It is highlighted in green. The volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature, and what will be the condition at constant pressure. If we write the Charles law in mathematical form, it is expressed as V is directly proportional to T at constant pressure. So when we change the proportionality into equality, so we have to introduce any constant. So here we will introduce the Charles law constant, which is represented by Kc. So V will become equal to, volume of a gas will become equal to Kc into temperature, and what will be the condition at constant pressure. And by rearranging, if we need to find the value of Kc, then we will rearrange this value, then Kc will become equal to V divided by T, where Kc is the constant called Charles law or Charles constant, law constant. When the volume is changed from V1 to V2 by changing the temperature, how volume will be changed? We increase or decrease the temperature, so volume will change because it has direct relation. If we increase the volume, if we increase the temperature, तो वॉल्यूम भी क्या हो जाएगा, इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. डायरेक्ट रिलेशन में क्या होता है आपके पास, अगर एक क्वांटिटी को हम इंक्रीज करते हैं तो सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी या सेकंड जो चीज़ है वो आपके पास इंक्रीज होगी, और अगर हम डिक्रीज करेंगे तो डिक्रीज होगी. अगर हम इसका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेंगे, वॉल्यूम V1 है तो हम इंक्रीज करते हैं तो वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा, V2 हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स बाय rising the temperature from T1 to T2 or changing the temperature from T1 to T2, volume will go from V1 to, or changes from V1 to V2. So we can also write the statement for Charles law as a relationship will be V1 divided by T1 is equal to V2 divided by T2, and किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा, ये Kc के इक्वल होगा, where T1 is the initial temperature, T2 is the final temperature, V1 is the initial volume, V2 is the final volume. From the above equation, from this equation, so we can also state, or we can define the Charles law as the ratio between, it is basically the ratio between the volume and the absolute temperature of a given mass of a gas is constant at constant pressure. So now